Hello guys, today in this video I'm gonna show you my project which is based on the analysis of data of IPL from last 12 years, that is from 2008 to 2019. So in this there is two dataset, one is of deliveries dataset and another is matches dataset. In deliveries dataset there is a data of every ball of every team or every matches, and in matches dataset there is the data of who was the winner, among who two players the match was played, and all that. In which season, how many matches was played. Okay, and in Dell set data deliveries data set there is around 1 lakh rows and 21 columns, and in matches data set there is 756 rows and 18 columns. So after this we will fill the missing values in both the data set. That is, we will find how many missing values is there. So in deliveries data set there you can see there is no missing values. Yes, here there is a player dismiss, there is some missing value, but we don't need to fill these values. And in matches data set there is some missing values like city name, winner, who was the winner, and player of the match. So we will first handle these missing values. Okay, so as you can see here, we have dropped the umpire 3, as there is very less number of third umpire, so it's better to remove the columns. Okay, now for umpire 1, umpire 1, yes, for umpire 1 fill the missing values with HTPK Dharmasena, as its number is high. So the number was high of this umpire, so we filled the missing values with this one only. No any other option for this. Okay, and these all are the value count. And for the second umpire missing value, we fill the missing value by S Ravi, because see here the reason is given, fill the two missing value with the second umpire by S Ravi, as its number is high. Okay, now in matches dataset there is a row named city which shows us how many matches was played in which cities. Okay, so here the top three cities was Mumbai, Kolkata, Delhi. Most match was played in Mumbai, and after that Kolkata and Delhi. Okay, here, okay, and here is the graphical representation of that. And now coming to the analysis on matches of player of the match, we can see here are some value count of the how many man of the match was won by which player. So here Chris Gayle has won the most number of player of match, that is 21. After that AB de Villiers, and third one is MS Dhoni. This is the data of last 12 years. Okay. So after this is the top 10 player of the match winner, and this is the graphical representation of this. Okay. So after this we will analyze on the first batting team, that is the team which has batted first and won the match. So here is the value count. It is like Mumbai Indians has won most number of matches, that is 57. Second is Chennai Super King, and third was Kings 11 Punjab. This is the graphical representation, and this is the pie chart representation. Here you can see of all the team, like how many matches was win. And now coming, and second is the second batting team. We will analyze data on the second batting team. Second batting team, most match was win by Kolkata Knight Riders, that is 56, and second is Mumbai Indians, and after that 48, which is Royal Challengers Bangalore. So number is high for Kolkata Knight Riders, and this is the graphical representation, as you can see, and this is a pie chart representation of every team, and here is a count of values or not, or how many matches was played in which season. Like in 2013, total 76 matches was played, and 2012, 74 matches was played, and similarly, which year this is the data. And value count of for toss winner. Mumbai Indians have won most number of toss, and Kolkata Knight Riders second, and Chennai Super King 89, third number. Okay, so result to now coming to the result. The result was almost, that is in total normal matches were played. That is match which was played normal was 743, and there was 9 match which couldn't tie. It was tied between two players. Analysis on winner. This is the analysis of winner. Mumbai Indian has won most number of matches, that is 109. Second is Chennai Super King, and third is Kolkata Knight Riders. Okay, there is no, these all are team name, and these are the number of count of winner. This is the graph bar chart representation of this. You can see all the team, how many matches was won in last 12 years. Okay, similarly you can see we have done the analysis of other teams also, like here you can see Chennai Super King. Chennai Super King, for Chennai Super King batting career, in Batman run, like most singles, count of singles was 7,586, and total fourth boundaries was 2,193, and 6 you can see 973. Okay, and this is the graphical representation, and this is a pie chart. See, here is the data or value count of dismissal kind, that is how many times the player got caught out, catch out, ball, bowled, run out, LBW, stamp, most number of times catch out for the Chennai Super King. And the bowling career, you can see which bowler has thrown most number of balls, that is R. Ashwin, 2081. Second is Bravo, and third number, that is Jadeja. Now counting the wide runs, wide run one, that is single wide runs, continuous single wide run, that is 527, and the continuous double wide run, that is 19, and 19, and 5 wide run continuous, that is 17. Okay, and this is the wide ball count excluding the zeros. Yes, excluding the zeros, like count of wide run given by Deccan Chargers. Sorry, this is not Deccan Charger, this is actually CSK. Okay, similarly we have done for other team also, like Deccan Chargers. See here, these are the batting career of Deccan Chargers, and like how much match played, how much run they have scored. This is a pie chart representation, which player run the most number of ball, and this is the number of wide run count. This is the graphical representation for this. Similarly for Delhi Daredevils, Daredevils, for this is for Delhi Daredevils, this was for Delhi Capitals, and this was for Delhi Daredevils. This one is for Gujarat Lions. Similarly we will do for all the team analysis, and after all this we came to know that Mumbai Indians was the best player, was the best team for the company, or for the company to advertise their product. As you can see, this in this analysis we have seen the most number of matches win by is the Mumbai Indians, and here you can also see total number of boundaries 2588, that is most high number. And this, and 6 you can see 1986, this is also very high. This is the pictorial pie chart. And bowling career, you can see Harbhajan, Bumrah, and wide run. See, just wide run only 669, very less wide run as compared to other team batsmen run. And this is a pictorial. So thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.